I'm Dakshayani S. Dalavai from Prateek Enviro Solutions, Chennai. And today we are at Krompet site. The property is one ground and the customer is planning to construct an independent villa. And today we are going to focus more on the Vastu. And generally when people construct a house, they consult a Vastu consultant and then they'll have a plan to do an entire building construction. And when it comes to water, definitely it's very important, because when we talk about Panchabhutas, mainly the water, which is a fresh water for drinking, you need to be very clear on that where it has to be placed, like borewells or the wells. Generally it is, borewells and wells are planned in the northeast corner, which is very auspicious. And when it comes to septic tank system, the option 1 is actually at a northwest corner. In the northwest corner is very suitable, and as per Vastu it is very auspicious, and all the negative energy is being taken care in that particular place, so that there will not be any ill effect to the family. In case if they don't have a space, you can also plan for southeast corner, which is a second option. And again, depending on your road side to the property, you need to plan whether you need to plan for septic tanks in the beginning before even going for a construction of pillars and the beams, or you need to plan after the construction. And the entire planning again depends on the accessibility for the vehicles to go inside the property and work. In case if it is on the roadside, if customer plans to go in for a northwest corner, then obviously the road will be there, and through the road JCB can stand and easily do the working, and then it can do the installation also. And here in this site, customer has preferred to go with the second option, where the southeast corner they are planning to install a septic tank, and today we have started the initiative also for installation of the plant. You can see the bio septic tank system here, and in our system it is not only just the toilet water. We also do a treatment of toilet water, bathroom water, kitchen water, and all kinds of waste water which is being generated from the household. Why we have to club all the water together is because, again, when it comes to wastewater, it is definitely hazardous. But when it comes to grey water, we are talking about on kitchen and kitchen and also the bath water, relatively it is less contaminated. But what happens if that water is mixed with the septic tank system, then obviously it works on the dilution basis. So by doing that method, you will be able to do a water treatment in a much better way. At the same time, the process also will be very quicker and very easier. And by the time it reaches to our final tank, where we have installed here, the first is the collection tank. The entire wastewater gets collected here, and then through the upflow anaerobic filters gets into the second tank and then get filtered. And from there it gets into the 2 evaporation tank. The evaporation is nothing but a subsoil evaporation method, where partially treated water is been exposed to the soil base. And in the soil, if you take about a spoon of soil, there will be billions of microorganisms in the soil. And that microbes further treats the water and then recharges into the ground. And also if customer prefers, they can also reuse the water for gardening as well. And this is the system which is suitable for all the people. And the benefit of installing this system is, one is you will save your groundwater, and number 2 is, as per Vastu, if you plan properly, the ill effect of septic tank will not be there. And I would like to mention one more point here. There are houses who have built already where they are having an issue and they wanted to shift the septic tanks to a right positioning. In that case, we are here to support you. We can help you out very easily, and within a day, your entire septic tank system can be reworked as per Vastu, and then we can hand over the project to you also. And if you need more details on this, kindly contact us. Thank you so much.